circumcircle. The definition: the circle which touches the vertex of the triangle is called circumcircle. Okay, the circle which touches the vertices of the triangle is called circumcircle. See here, this is the circumcircle. See here, the circle which touches the vertices A, B and C. To construct a circumcircle, first of all we draw a triangle. Okay, for that construction of triangle, let us draw triangle. For that, reducing any three measurements. Why? Because we aren't doing the problem. We are learning the process of construction of circumcircle. Okay. To draw a line segment by use of scale. Okay. This is 5 cm line and the name is point B and point C. After that, construction of arc. How to construct the arc? To place the middle point of the composite at point B. Okay. Then draw an arc. You see here. And after that, we take the measurement CA equal to 6 cm. Then we measure this measurement with the use of composite on the scale. After that, draw another arc which should be intersect the first arc. We name it as A. You see here. We draw another arc which intersects the first arc and name it as A. Where do we name the A? The intersection point of two arcs. Okay. Now we join the AB and CA by using a scale. Those are 6 cm. AB equal to 6 cm and AC equal to also 6 cm. Now we are going for formation of circumcircle. Now you take the composite and place it at any vertices of the triangle. You take any vertices. There are 3 vertices. What are the? A, B, C. So let us take vertex B. Then you measure above half of this side measurement. Where do we place the composite? At vertex B and measure the measurement of that side above half of that side. Okay, and you draw 2 arcs. See here, 1 and another one is like this. After that, then the composite is placed at point C. Why do we place the point C? We take the side BC. Okay. First of all, we draw 2 arcs by using a vertex B. After that, we place the composite at point C, and you draw 2 arcs, which should be intersect the first 2 arcs. You see here, 1 arc. See here, this is before we draw. So after we draw 2 arcs, should be intersect first 2 arcs. First one and another one is then. Now you join these 2 points of intersection of arcs by using a scale. Okay. Then you name it L1, the line. name the line as L1. Okay. Now we take the composite and place it at any other remaining vertices. What are the remaining vertices? A and C. Okay. Let us take vertex A. Then you measure the above opposite side measurement. Okay. You place the middle point of the composite at point A, and you measure them above that side, and you draw two arcs. See here, one and another one. Okay. Then remove the composite and you place the composite at point C. Why do we place the composite at point C? Because we take AC, side AC. First we place it point A. After that we place point C at point C. Okay. Then you draw another two arcs. This should be intersect before two arcs. Okay. See here. One arc. That intersects after and another one. This intersects another arc. Okay. There is a point of intersection of two arcs. Okay. You join them by using a scale and name it as L2. The line, name it as L2. After that, the point of intersection of L1 and L2 name as O. See here. This is okay. O. Then you place the middle point of the composite at point O. The point O is the center of the circumcircle. For that, you place the middle point of the composite at point O, and you draw a circle through the vertices. See here. This is the circumcircle. Okay. Now going to conclusion. First we draw a line which is 5 centimeters. The name as B and C. After that, we draw an arc with the help of composite at point from point B. Then we draw another arc which should be intersect first arc with the help of composite from the point C. You see here, there is a point of intersection of arcs. So, you join them, that is name as A, and you join them AB and AC with help of scale. Those are 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Then, you take any three vertices. Let us take vertex B, and you draw two arcs, 1 and 2. Okay. Then you take another vertex C. After that, you place the middle point of the composite at point C, and you draw another two arcs which should be intersect first two arcs. You see here, first one intersects and another one also intersects. You join the point of intersection of two arcs with the help of scale. Okay. Then we name it as L1. We take any side of this remaining side. What are the remaining sides? AB and AC. So let us take side AC, and you place the middle point of the composite at point A. Then you draw two arcs. You see here, first one and another one. Then remove the middle point of the composite and you place it at point C, and you draw another two arcs. It should be intersect before two arcs. 1 is intersected and another one. Okay. Then you join them with the help of scale and name it as L2. You see here there is a point of intersection of two lines. Then you name it as O. With the help of center O, you draw a circle which passes through the vertices of the triangle. This is the process of construction of circumference.